Those student loan payments are going to start up again for millions of Americans. Interest will start accruing as September 1st, with payments resuming exactly a month later.
WRTV's Meredith Hackler tells us about one plan that aims to save borrowers some money, but not everyone would benefit.
Elizabeth Nance is a nurse, but she hasn't always been. It took her a while to get her degree, which caused her to rack up hefty student loans.
As a single parent with 2 kids, I'm never going to pay off what is today $125,000.
Nance's loan was around $60,000 to begin with, but she, like many, have been crippled by interest rates, something the Biden administration is hoping to help with through its new income-driven repayment plan called Saving on Valuable Education, or the SAVE plan.
This SAVE plan is expected to provide most borrowers with the lowest monthly payment when compared to some of the other plans that they would have available under that income-driven umbrella. The changes that the administration has made to this plan will provide some more generous benefits to borrowers, and in many cases will decrease the amount that they're paying in those monthly payments.
Along with the potential for monthly savings, it will also control interest rates for people paying their loans back.
For borrowers who are enrolled in this new plan, any interest that is not covered by their monthly payment amount will be forgiven.
The Biden administration is also giving people who may struggle to pay their loans a year to get back on their feet. They're doing so by getting rid of the most severe punishments for people not paying.
For a borrower who does miss a payment under this sort of 12-month period, they will not be reported to credit bureaus, they will not be placed in default or referred to debt collection agencies. So we are going to have sort of this long on-ramp.
But this doesn't apply to everyone. For people like Nance, she says she won't benefit from the SAVE plan because she has private and federal student loans. But she is hoping changes to federal law will allow her to take control of her finances. She wants the option to include her student loans in a bankruptcy filing, something that is currently not allowed.
Give me my original loan amount and let me pay on that so I can move on with my life, because I didn't ask for where I'm at. There's not a plan that's going to really fix that unless you give me my bankruptcy rights back. Let me go and call my shots, not the Department of Education.
Meredith Hackler, WRTV.
The National Association of Student Financial Aid Administrators says that borrowers should be contacting their loan provider now. Providers are expecting to have long wait times once interest starts accruing again in September and required payments begin again in October. You can apply for the Biden administration's new income-driven student loan repayment plan, and as Meredith mentioned, it is called SAVE. It takes about 10 minutes to enroll. With SAVE, some borrowers could get their monthly bills cut in half and remaining student debt canceled after making at least 10 years of payments. To apply, go to studentaid.gov.